We're getting ready to do sound check. We'll have our violinist and our singer join us momentarily, but come on into my little fishbowl over here. I have a couple of Mac Studios that we run in parallel so that if something happens to one, I can just very quickly flip to the other. I have a couple different behind-the-scenes camera angles. Half the band is in this tower, half the band is in the other tower. So our guitarist and our cellist and our drummer are on the opposite side of the stage. And if you look up at this screen right here, we're living right here behind this giant pencil sharpener, and the rest of the band is living in the same spot right over there. I use this keyboard to control my computers. We're running Ableton Live for all of our MIDI and audio support. I also designed this kind of MIDI traffic cop interface. I'm using MainStage for that. So what I do is I have the keyboard control MainStage, and then MainStage goes ahead and controls Ableton, and they talk to each other. I play keyboards here, have my own camera controller, so I can zoom in to different spots of the stage. I've got different presets set. I can pan around, helps me to kind of zoom in and stay real tight on the action. We have our M48 system over here, which is basically like an Aviom. So we can all dial in our monitor mixes. My job as band leader is sort of a split, a lot of different hats, right? So I'm combination conductor, keyboard player, playback engineer, computer nerd, programmer, and the thing that's unique to Cirque shows, particularly this one, is that we arrange the music differently for every performance. So we think of it as like live film scoring, right? And what our job is to play that film score in real time. We know how the movie's supposed to go, but it never goes exactly the same twice in a row. So our job is to make minor course corrections, sometimes take a little detour, and get us where we need to be. We're talking about acrobatics, we're talking about live theater. Things are gonna happen. It could be a technical delay, it could be just a different acrobat, a different person playing a different character that night. There's gonna be timing differences. So if you notice here, for example, in Icarian, I've got the song chopped up into 31 different sections, and those 31 different sections correlate to these numbered keys on my top keyboard. So at any time, if I want to jump to the bridge, I'm going to jump to number 16. And at any time, if I want to jump to the guitar verse, I know that's number 7. I have some sample triggers that I throw up here, but this setup allows us to very quickly and easily adapt and create edits, as long as they're musical, of course, that can accommodate whatever version of the act or the show that we may be doing that day. We are consistent. Don't get me wrong. We are very consistent in what we do, but it's human performance. It's live theater. Things are going to adjust, slightly, and our job is to make that film score line up with the movie that we're seeing in real time that day. Beautiful thing about modern circus, specifically Cirque du Soleil, because we've been on the forefront of it forever. We like to blend virtuosic human performance with amazing technology. And as part of that, we want to remind people that, yes, there are humans performing this music. So in our case, I'm the only one that hides behind stage all day. I'm sort of like the man behind the giant pencil sharpener. Everybody else goes on stage. There's 7 of us total. All 6 of the remaining band members will be on stage for pre-show. They will almost all be on stage at the end of the show. You'll see musicians coming out on these shelves. You'll see the musicians up here during pre-show. You'll see our singer coming out during Icarian.
What time is the performance?
First performance today is at 5:30. The second performance is at 8 p.m.
What time is it right now?
What time is it right now? It is about 4:20, and we're about to start sound check. So if you allow me to get plugged in here for a second, we'll get going. So. Check, 1, 2. Hey there, D2, how are you? So right now we're waiting to get our lighting friends on the line, and we're checking time code and MIDI triggers with them. We always validate that before every performance. So lighting, here it comes. All right, so right now our audio engineer is checking his MIDI triggers that he sends to lighting. So we just verify that everything's working, everything's talking to each other. We don't want to find that out after the show starts. So now we're going to start with our line check. So we check everything. If you'd like, you can actually put some headphones on and listen in with us.
That sounds good.
Mandalorian song.
Cool, that's good on the bell mic and the wireless. Cat.
Speaking of Disney themes.
I had to let you finish it.
So after we finish testing everything, I'll test my keyboards, I'll test Ableton, both our primary and backup system, make sure they're all working properly. Ableton is a digital audio workstation that is particularly well suited for live applications and playback that allows us to do things and hop around in ways that some of the other DAWs don't do quite the same way. So.
Thank you. Tom.
Hello there. All right, here it comes. Yeah.
You missed the Aladdin memo.
The Aladdin memo, yeah.
It came on a magic carpet.
It did. All right, here's some Ableton.
Thank you, sir.
Here's a tuning note. All right, hi everybody. Welcome to Saturday. We have our regularly scheduled programming, I believe. We would like to play one song in its entirety for Dallas here. Good. We got the right instruments in their hands. All right, here it comes, gang. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, 2, 3, 4. Break, full. Stir off. Go ahead, 2, 3, 4. So what happens now is everybody goes and gets ready. Whatever we need to do to get ready for the show. If that's go finish your makeup, get into costume, do whatever stretching, warm up, anything an acrobat would do, except the musical equivalent of that. We have time in the tower right now for another 15 minutes or so, and then after that, they're going to start letting guests in, and we'll all just do our normal pregame rituals and get ready to do the show. It's amazing. I get to be at that nexus point between the emotion of the audience and the emotion of the performers. As I'm performing here, even though I'm backstage and hidden, I am putting myself constantly in the position of someone who's never seen the show before.